children, welcome back again in online studies. Today we'll start a poem, that is third number poem, Recess. And as you all know, we have completed our lesson number 2, and now we will start our poem number 3, that is Recess. But I would like to tell you that poem number 3 is not for the syllabus. It is deducted. You know that the government has deducted 20% syllabus in that. The Recess poem is for just recite the poem and read the poem. So we are not going to take any question answers of it, and you have to just read the poem and understand it. Okay, so we will read the poem. You also take out the textbook and read. Poem number 3, Recess. Girls and boys make lot of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout, while here and there, with quiet air, groups of children walk about. A game begins, but no one wins, although they play with might and main. For long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school again. So, in the poem, it is described about the recess. Already we are experiencing the recess in the school time, and nowadays it is not happening, but whenever the school will get start again, that time we will enjoy the recess time. Recess means, the glossary is also given under the poem. Recess means the break between school classes. In that break we are having the tiffin. With quiet air means looking quiet. With might and main means with all their strength. O-E-R, we have to read it over. Over means finished. So what is given in the poem? The girls and boys make lots of noise in the recess. They run, they jump, they laugh and they shout. Okay. While here and there, everywhere they are just running, jumping, laughing and shouting with quiet air, and group of children walk about. Somewhere are walking, some are running, some are jumping, some are laughing, some are shouting, and they are just wandering here and there, and they are just enjoying the recess. When the game begins, they started playing games also when the game begins, but no one wins in that game because the short period is given in the recess, and although they play with might and main, though they have played with their all the strength, with all the might they have used in the game, but no one wins in the game because of the short period of recess. For long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school again. And whenever they start the game started, they have used their all the strength, all the might, but later on when they are in the climax position of the game, that time the bell rang and the recess over. And after the recess is over, that time the students should go back again into their classes. So this is just a poem for our reading and explanation. Okay, no question answers we are going to write about it. And question number 2 is, what names are used for recess in your school? So we are using lunch break time, recess time. These are the words that we use in the school. Okay. You have to just write, or you have to just tell that how do you spend your recess time. In recess time, what are the activities you are doing, that you have to show in the activity. So after that, lesson number 4 is there. That is one project activity we are going to do. Your own book of science. I'll show you how is that activity, and we will do it in the lesson number 4, your own book of science. Actually, it is a project. We will read out the project and then we will act according to it. You may come across simple but amazing science experiments in magazines, newspapers, supplements, or on the internet. Collect any 5 or 8 experiments you like Ask your parents or teachers whether the experiments are safe. Then carry out the experiments. If necessary, take the help of your parents or teachers. Record the experiment and separate separate sheets in your own book of science. You can make a book of science and you can write or just stick the pictures of a different type of experiment. And an example one is given here below. We will do that activity also, but let's see a simple experiment lifting ice. If you wanted to lift ice without touching it, what do you do? Read on to find out. What you need? Ice cubes, thread and common salt. What you do? Place an ice cube in a dish. Place a piece of thread on it. Sprinkle some common salt on near the thread on the ice cube. Wait for a few seconds. Hold the two ends of the thread and pick them up carefully. What happens? Try tasting the thread in different ways to lift the ice. You can place just one end of the thread on the ice cube and lift the ice with the other end. Okay, so we will do the activity also. You also do the activity at your home. The ice. See, the thread can lift the ice. Okay, so this is the experiment shown in our textbook, that how the thread lifts the light. Now students, we have took one plate. On that plate we are keeping one ice. Then put a thread on it. It should be stuck to the ice. Then sprinkle some salt onto it at the sides of the thread. Okay. Keep it for some time as it is.